Hello travelers and scenery enthusiasts. Today we delve into the breathtaking landscapes of Scotland, a country famed for its rugged beauty and picturesque vistas. This magical land, nestled in the northernmost part of the United Kingdom, is a mesmerizing blend of highlands, lowlands, islands, and cities, each with its distinctive charm. The highlands, with their towering mountains and deep glens, provide a rugged backdrop that's as dramatic as it is beautiful. The lowlands, on the other hand, offer a softer but equally captivating landscape of rolling hills and fertile plains. Scotland's islands, scattered across the North Atlantic and North Sea, are a world apart, each with its unique allure. And then, there are the cities, vibrant and full of history, where ancient and modern coexist in harmony. Every corner of this diverse country offers breathtaking views and unforgettable experiences. So, buckle up for an unforgettable journey through the best of Scotland's scenery. Our first stop, the Scottish Highlands, a place where nature's grandeur is on full display. This region, stretching from Inverness to John O'Groats, is known for its stunning landscapes, doused in a spellbinding blend of beauty and mystery. Let's begin with the mountains. The Highlands are home to the tallest peaks in the British Isles, including the mighty Ben Nevis. Standing at an awe-inspiring height, it is a favorite among mountaineers and hikers, offering an unforgettable journey to the summit. The Highlands Mountains are not just about the heights they reach, but also the tales they tell. They are a testament to the Earth's power and endurance, shaped by centuries of geological activity. Next, the glens. These deep valleys carved by ancient glaciers are a sight to behold. Their verdant slopes, often shrouded in mist, offer a serene, almost mystical experience. Each glen has its unique charm, with babbling brooks, cascading waterfalls, and abundant wildlife. It's no wonder they've been the backdrop for countless tales and legends. And then, the lochs. These deep freshwater lakes are an integral part of the Highlands' identity. They are as diverse as they are numerous, from vast expanses like Loch Ness, steeped in folklore and mystery, to smaller, secluded ones that offer a tranquil retreat. Each loch has a story, a personality, reflecting the ever-changing moods of the Scottish weather. The Highlands are also home to iconic landmarks, such as the picturesque Eilean Donan Castle, standing guard at the meeting point of three great sea lochs, or the hauntingly beautiful Glencoe, a valley steeped in history and lore. But the true essence of the Highlands lies not just in its landscapes, but in the spirit of its people. Hardy, warm and welcoming, the Highlanders are the heart and soul of this region, their culture and traditions as captivating as the vistas that surround them. The Highlands, a testament to Scotland's untamed beauty. Next, we explore the gentler charm of the Lowlands. A region where tranquility and simplicity reign supreme, the Lowlands of Scotland are a testament to the country's often overlooked pastoral beauty. The Lowlands, unlike their Highland counterparts, are characterized by gently rolling hills that stretch as far as the eye can see, carpeted with lush green grass and dotted with quaint farmhouses. As we delve deeper into this region, we encounter a plethora of fertile farmlands. These are the lifeblood of the Lowlands, painting a picture of Scotland's agrarian past and present. The farmlands are a patchwork quilt of various crops, from golden barley fields swaying in the breeze, to vibrant green pastures where sheep graze peacefully. Nestled amongst these verdant landscapes are historic towns, each with its own unique story to tell. These towns are the beating heart of the Lowlands, filled with cobblestone streets, charming local shops, and an air of timeless tradition. Here, history is not confined to the pages of a book, but is a living, breathing entity that resonates in the architecture, the streets, and the people. The Lowlands present a stark contrast to the rugged, mountainous terrain of the Highlands. Where the Highlands are wild and untamed, the Lowlands are serene and cultivated. This contrast is the essence of Scotland's diverse beauty, a land of extremes yet bound by a common thread of natural splendor. But the Lowlands are more than just a picturesque landscape. They are a region steeped in folklore and legends, home to iconic figures like Robert Burns, Scotland's national poet, and historical events that have shaped the country we know today. As you traverse the Lowlands, you're not merely witnessing a beautiful scene, you're walking through the pages of Scotland's rich history. In the Lowlands, every hill, every field, every town has a story to tell, a melody to sing. It's a symphony of pastoral splendor that echoes through the ages, leaving its mark on every visitor lucky enough to experience it. The Lowlands, where Scotland's pastoral beauty shines. Now let's set sail to Scotland's islands, each a world unto itself. Have you ever dreamed of escaping to a place where the air is fresh, the landscapes are stunning, and time seems to stand still? Welcome to the Islands of Scotland. With over 700 to explore, each with its own unique charm, the islands are truly a paradise for nature lovers and history buffs alike. First, let's journey to the Inner and Outer Hebrides, located off the west coast. These sparsely populated islands are home to incredible wildlife, including sea eagles, otters, and seals. The coastlines are a spectacle themselves, with white sandy beaches that could rival any tropical paradise. The Hebrides are also steeped in history, with ancient standing stones and medieval castles telling tales of a time gone by. Next, we head north to the Orkney Islands. Here you'll find a landscape shaped by thousands of years of human history. The islands are dotted with Neolithic sites, including the impressive Ring of Brodgar and Skara Brae, a Stone Age village that's older than the pyramids of Egypt. Orkney is also renowned for its bird life, with puffins, guillemots, and many other species making their homes here. Finally, we reach the Shetland Islands, the most northerly point of the UK. Shetland is a place where the North Sea meets the Atlantic, creating a unique environment that's filled with rare wildlife and breathtaking scenery. From the rugged cliffs and spectacular sea caves of Eshenes to the beautiful sandy beaches of Yell, there's a landscape here to captivate everyone. Not to mention, Shetland is steeped in Viking history, with ancient longhouses and brocks offering a glimpse into the past. Each of these island groups has its own distinct character, shaped by the sea, the land, and the people who have lived there over the centuries. They are places where you can truly disconnect, soak in the natural beauty, and immerse yourself in a rich cultural tapestry. The islands, Scotland's hidden gems. Last but not least, we take a stroll through Scotland's vibrant cities. Two in particular steal the show: Edinburgh and Glasgow. Both offer a unique blend of the old and the new, where history and modernity meet in a harmonious dance. Edinburgh, Scotland's capital, is a city that wears its history with pride. Cobbled streets, Gothic architecture, and the imposing Edinburgh Castle standing tall over the city create an atmosphere that transports you back in time. But don't let this fool you. Edinburgh is also a city that embraces the contemporary. Modern art galleries, chic boutiques, and innovative restaurants show a city that is looking forward, without forgetting its past. And then there's Glasgow. Known for its stunning Victorian and Art Nouveau architecture, it is a city that has always been in love with design. The Glasgow School of Art, designed by Charles Rennie Mackintosh, is a testament to this love affair. But it's not all about the past. Glasgow is a city that pulses with the energy of the new. From its thriving music scene to its cutting-edge tech startups, Glasgow is always on the move. But what truly makes these cities special are the panoramic views you get from their landmarks. Imagine standing on top of Arthur's Seat, an ancient volcano and hill located in the heart of Edinburgh. From here you can see the whole city spread out before you, from the historic Old Town to the modern Leith district. Or picture yourself at the top of the Glasgow Tower, the tallest freestanding structure in Scotland. From here, you can see the River Clyde winding its way through the city, with the Campsie Fells mountain range in the distance. Scotland's cities where history and modernity meet. They are the perfect end to our journey, showing us that Scotland is not just about stunning landscapes and breathtaking islands, but also about vibrant cities that pulse with life and energy. And that concludes our scenic tour of Scotland. From the commanding heights of the Highlands to the gentle beauty of the Lowlands, we've traversed the breadth of this majestic land. We've hopped from island to island, each with its unique charm and allure. And we've strolled through the bustling cities, where history and modernity coexist. Each landscape, each locale tells its own tale, adding to the rich tapestry that is Scotland. We hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have. The magic of travel lies in the discovery, the experience, and the memories we make along the way, and Scotland, with its varied landscapes, has plenty to offer. Now, we want to hear from you. Which part of the world should we explore next? Leave your suggestions in the comments below, and remember, your likes and subscribes help this channel grow. Until next time, safe travels.